Keep cucumbers fresh for weeks in refrigerator. Easy hack. To keep cucumbers fresh in the refrigerator, wrap them in a paper towel and then place them in a plastic bag or airtight container. This method helps absorb excess moisture, preventing them from becoming soggy. Whole cucumbers can be stored this way in the crisper drawer for up to 2 weeks. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Start with dry cucumbers. If the cucumbers are wet, pat them dry with a paper towel before wrapping. Wrap in paper towel. Completely wrap the cucumber in a dry paper towel. Store in a plastic bag or container. Place the wrapped cucumber in a plastic bag or an airtight container. Refrigerate. Store the cucumber in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. For sliced cucumbers, if you've already sliced the cucumber, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and store it in a container to prevent it from drying out, recommends a food website.